Students, today we are going to see the logo concept design for AmarPay, a mobile financial services company. So I have done a mind map according to the brief, and they are mobile financial services which is related to mobile payment, and we have added a mobile with a payment card uh, as to get some concepts. And we have mobile banking, so we have added a dollar sign within the mobile icon, and the company suggested us to use the paper plane as an icon, so we have collected a mobile paper plane picture from the internet, and now we have to move to the design. Before that, we have collected all the samples from the client's brief, and these are some designs. Those are posted on this contest AmarPay, and there are some similar companies like Bikash and Navod Upai. So we have to follow these also, and these are some references that client has provided us. So we have a lot of information to work on, and now we have to design an icon for AmarPay. So first of all, we have to get the paper plane, as it has the A letter in it. If you see it very clearly, you can see A letter in the icon. I'm just making a copy of it. We will definitely update it, so it won't be the same as it is now, so don't worry. So we will just make a copy of it by reflecting alt with the alt click, and now we have to draw a shape. Just to draw the same thing, no need to worry about it right now, as this is just the beginning of the design. So just control shift third bracket, so it looks like this. Now as you can see, this should be a little more gray color so that it feels like it's a paper plane. So we have finally drawn the paper plane, and we want it to be color like red or something like that. As you can see, the most inspired colors here are red, so just take one color. We are just now taking single colors to get inspired, not necessarily to follow everything. We can try different alternatives. And I feel like this is also good to go. Let's see different color for the paper plane firstly. Sorry, I don't know why it's doing some not responding. So now the Illustrator crashed, so we have to redesign it. Like we can give it the same color to that, and we can have this color, and the right one can have this color, or different color. We can have different colors. Let's try and try to get the perfect one. I feel like red one is okay for this right now. And after that, let's assume this as the paper plane, and now you can see that we have the A letter and paper plane together. So we can also highlight the paper plane with different color, right? We can also play with the colors here. So as you can see, this is also a paper plane. If we do it a little curve, we can see that. But if you don't feel like that, we can play with it so that it looks like more paper plane than it's now. By the way, let's keep it as it is now. And now let's focus on some details like we have the mobile over there, and we don't want to focus that. um, we can just try to make it more look like a letter. um, but it spoils the design, so we are going to keep the paper plane as it is right now, and we have to work on it more so that it looks like a payment system. So we can add some money related symbol. Let's try. We are just trying now. These are not final variation. Object path, offset path, keep it 6. We can give it a different color than it's right now. Okay, let's try to make the card more simpler. Let's keep it as it is. Maybe the icon will be changed at the end. So we have added paper plane, a letter, and the money icon here. We can add so that it feels like it's money. So I will just expand it, ungroup, and one thing to do here, divide and ungroup, and just do like this so that it feels like it's a Taka icon as it's for Bangladeshi. So it should be like that. Keep it as simple as possible. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, let's for now just keep it as it is. Okay, we can do one more thing here. Let's just keep it below that and like this. And the inner, and this looks like this right now. We have to make the icon smaller, making the stroke a little bigger so that it looks like more clear look. And now expand appearance, object expand appearance, object expand appearance, and now just remove this. And before removing that, we can have a copy of this so that if we need that we can use. So now it looks like this, just deleting the white part. So if I show you how it looks like right now, this is the look. And if you see, the icon is itself is already look like a paper plane, so we can do that. So let's see, we can keep this paper plane beside. We have already that, but let's keep a copy of this and focus on this. So if we see that, we can do something that will make it look like it's a paper plane. Let's see if we can do that or not. So it looks little like paper plane, not 100%. Let's keep a copy of it. We are now working to complete the design, so this is really a hard thing. Okay, let's add some details so that it looks like different than the design, and a little less. If we remove that, this doesn't feel like it's a. If we remove this part, does it look like a paper plane? Does it look like a paper plane? Maybe we can do something with the paper plane idea. We have to work on it a little more. Let's get that again and remove this track icon so that we can work on it more. Okay, let's do a paper plane now. We are trying different alternatives to see if it works or not. Maybe we are close to what we need. And we can also do a little creativity here. So we have the paper plane, we have the symbol that is related to money, or you can say Bangladeshi currency taka. We can also change that later, but as you can see, we have the A letter above. This is more resembling the A letter, and if we add a simple shape like this, this adds this looks like a money bundle. Okay, but this should look like this. Let's make it little like this, so it should not feel like very edgy. Very simple here. So this is how it looks right now, and we are going to move with this part, and just keep a copy of everything here. Also this part should have a copy. So if now we cut out all the white parts from this design, we will see the final output. Also the taka icon, it should be removed. So here is only blue right now, so just make a copy of it also and unite it. So now there is a paper plane icon, there is a paper plane, there is a money bundle icon, there is a letter. So we have three icons now. We can also change like this: paper plane, money, a letter. So all are focused right now. I think we can do something with the taka icon. So just filling it with the shape builder tool, and let's see what can we do to make it look perfect. Let's use the free transformation tool to see if it can do something for us or not. We must have the taka icon clear. We must have the taka icon look clearer. Maybe it was good as it was. So let's keep it as it is, and let's give the text as the Amar Pay. We can give it this color with the gray color version, and one with this font, same way keep this that color and this color. We can also have some different options with different color, so let's try that. I wanted it to look like more to this version. mm, let's keep it totally red. Keep it this red color, keep it this red color. Now just change the font, and we have the dense regular font for this. So dense regular with 0. I think we can have this here. Let's make it the same color. Do the same for this part. Keeping the both text same height, almost same height. And now just keep this red and this as the area. And now you can see we have completed the design more clearly, and we have all the version available 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will now define the icon. So let's see what we can do. Just doing like this. A letter, paper plane, money. So just select all these. So only select this object, expand appearance, object, expand, unite, and fill it with a stroke white. Keep the stroke, align stroke to outside so that it resembles that. And now we will make it letter A. Letter A. Let's keep it say a simple font like Helvetica. Now let's keep it as simple as possible. Roboto medium. Letter A. Bangladeshi currency. Taka symbol. And paper plane. So these all have the explanation of what we did, and these are the so hopefully this looks like this version, and we have completed that look. And thank you so much for watching this video till here, and we will come back to you soon with a new video.